Tamaiti, Faleata style. Yeah, she's such a beautiful woman, and she has so many ugly men. And when she go to the marketplace, she leave all character at home. Oh, and she walk like a lady, act like a lady, don't ask me why. But when she start a conversation, every one of her friends just cry shame. Sing along. Beautiful woman, oh, beautiful woman, oh, beautiful woman, beautiful woman will drive you crazy. Look here. And here comes Billy, and he's one of her ugly men. He says, hello friend. Then I began to tell the story about this beautiful woman that I've seen. And Billy turned to me and said, it seems like every woman is the same. Then I shake my head and say, no, let me tell you, Billy, I can't believe every woman could be the same. Sing along. I hear beautiful woman, oh, oh, beautiful woman, oh, beautiful woman, beautiful woman will drive you crazy. Look here, here comes good old Sam, comes to town, met this girl, fall in love. Hey. And the girl keep driving him crazy. She just acting like a lady for a short time. Oh, and she walk like a lady, act like a lady, don't ask me why. I know when she get warmed up, then she get started, then she get crazy. She'll take off every piece of her clothes in the street. Sing along. Beautiful woman, oh, oh, beautiful woman, oh, beautiful woman, ooh, beautiful woman, beautiful woman, beautiful woman, beautiful woman, beautiful woman, ooh, will drive you crazy, yeah. Stay humble if the money coming out. Lose me soul, me still keep love as the main goal. Me not step on people fi climb up. God bless me cup, so me share me cup. High vibration, clean intent. That are the way Jah heaven sent. Stay humble, stay high. Jah inna me heart, so me touch the sky. Tell me what to do. Do I walk away, or should I stay with you? I'm giving all I have, and still I feel confused. If you don't want my love, then tell me straight.